welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today we're gonna do a get ready with me video. So pretty much in this video, I'm just gonna show y'all how I'm getting ready today. Now this is not my everyday kind of thing because one, I don't wear makeup every day, and two, I don't wear my natural hair out every day. So this is my natural hair. Look at it, love it. This is my hair from a braid out. So I had it sewn in a few days ago. Not just for those few days, but I took it out a few days ago. And this is just the outcome from taking my braids out. I actually like it, but I want to try to style it today. But since I'm liking the fro right now, I probably won't do too much to it. But just watch me do whatever I'm going to do to style it today. And then we're going to move on to makeup next, and then I'm going to go to class. Okay, so pretty much for this part, I don't know where the rest of this clip is, but for this part, I spritz my hair with water, conditioner, and then I apply coconut oil and leave-in conditioner to my hair. And then I'm just gonna fix my edges up, and I'll like, what do you call it? Stretch the hair out a little bit at the end. But as far as the other hair clips, I don't know where they went. I think my camera. What?
Julie B. Jones.
Favorite book ever.
Yeah, I used to read them too.
That was my bitch. Hi, my name is Julie B. Jones. The B stands for Beatrice, but
That's really how every book started.
I don't let y'all know that I'm super nervous right now because my class starts in 10 minutes and I have to try to do this voiceover perfectly. So if I make mistakes, I'm sorry, but my class starting at 7 o'clock. So pretty much for this, I'm just going to show you my brows. So I'm starting off with a, I don't even know what it's called, eyebrow gel. I'll put everything in the description box, but I'm starting off with the NYX eyebrow. And this stuff, I bought it a few months ago. I didn't use it until recently. And this stuff is like you thought when it looks so pretty at the end. I pretty flat brush to fill a little bit, and I'll just continue to explain as I get further into details. But yeah, there's really nothing much to say about it. Um, for the front, I try to make sure that my eyebrows aren't boxy because that looks weird to me. So I'm going to show you guys how I fade my eyebrows, the front of my eyebrows. two colors for my eyebrows. Cool tan at the end and toffee at the top. And it's just a little lighter so that I have highlight brow bone thing there. And I use a darker one so that my foundation can because I don't really like my eyebrows looking too. I'm gonna heat the concealer into my eyebrow, which is what I'm right now. I don't like the front of my brows to look too dark here. So it just fill in the back and it just finishes them off really nicely. And then just use my foundation to cover the lightness. Well, this is the finished look. And I didn't go too wild with anything.
I plucked my hair out a little bit, fluffed it out some, and this is how it, pretty much how it came out after it dried. For the face, I didn't add lashes because this is an everyday look. So usually I would add lashes, but if I'm in a hurry, I don't add lashes. So today I had to go to class after recording this video, so I didn't have time to apply lashes. So I just added mascara, some eyeliner. I did the highlight, blush, and bronzer off camera because I ran out of time. And this is how it came out.